Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday. It's Saturday, um, January the 8th, 2022. And we have here in this newspaper look, 8, yes, two regular Sudokus. The first one is a medium Sudoku, and the second one is a quintuplet. And I won't do this anymore because last time, because we have no puzzles, it forced me to do this one. Well, more than an hour I need to solve, so no more quintuplets. So we have here one regular Sudoku and it's a medium Sudoku. And in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 6 extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku. The 2 stars, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. Then we have a binary puzzle, and those puzzles I'm not interested, so 6 extra puzzles. 3 of them I will solve after the Sudoku Medium, and tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles in this additional. But first, we will solve this baby number. This will be number 3949. Let me mark this 3949. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28. Yeah, 28. So must be easier than the 1 star. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku, the 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one, 28. So a 1 star and need to be faster. My time limit than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then. How about 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. Then how about interesting. Yeah. Let me see. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Well, now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? Let me see. 555. 6. Interesting. 7. Well, we have a pair. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. All right. 8. So the 8, the 1, and a 9. Okay. Then 8. I'm thinking. 7, 7. Ay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 9. No. We have a 9 here. We have a 9. 9. Okay, 4. Yeah. Not easy, this one. Come on. 9. No. 9. Yeah, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 9. Okay, I cannot continue with the 9 now. Okay. How about? 2. Okay. 2. Interesting. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5. Okay. And we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this column, the middle column. So no 4 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers now. In this big square, 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this middle column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7. No, 6 and the 8. We have a 7 there, yeah. 6 and the 8 are missing. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Then. How about 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. Ooh. Let me see. 3, 8. 1, 6, 2. Need a 2. 2. 7. Come on. 5. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row. 5 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third column. 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used I can see. This is 1, number 5. Okay. 8, 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have a 3 and 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be 8, 2. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, so what? The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. And all the 6s and all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. How about the 3? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Correct? Faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Yes, practice still continues. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Yes, later on in the evening, I will do 3 puzzles in the additional, the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, every day we have 3 or 4 puzzles to solve. So until then, bye bye for now.